Welcome to FX Street. Today we are going to be talking about Chainlink bulls awaiting the right moment to break above February's high. But before we dive deep into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. A little bit of a pullback today in Chainlink price action for a third consecutive day, which is quite normal, seeing the tail risk news that is flaring up and is causing a little bit of headwinds in the price action. But as it stands currently, we are facing, or rather bears are facing, a very hard region, as we will mark that up a little bit. Here we go with this. And the reason why is very simple, because you have here this monthly pivot at $15.80. You have the 55-day simple moving average coming in at $15.15. You have this historical pivot almost at $15. And you have the green ascending trend line intersecting with all these elements. Next to that, the relative strength index has completely moved back to the broad 50 range mid. So that means that bears have a lot of issues by trying to break below that. Next to that as well, of course, there's a lot of tailwind still in the pipeline, with markets at the moment simply reshuffling and assessing the new situation timetable from the Fed that has been communicated yesterday by the most dovish member. And once that is done, expect a return with equities on the front foot, with the Nasdaq leading the charge, and that would then mean a tailwind spillover towards cryptocurrencies, of course. So the path being forward looks to be something like this, depending on which one we take, and that should be enough to top the, there we go, to top the high of February, which was at $19.55, and seeing, or depending on which level it will take to bounce off, expect it to pop above $20, as investors will have this marked up and are awaiting for any pullback to get long on Chainlink once again. Next to that, it will not only be traders, particularly in Chainlink, but of course broad investors as well, who are interested in overall cryptocurrencies and diversification of their portfolio. So expect to see both parties joining in this bullish theme and ready to push price above, which we're done make Chainlink trade above $20. Risk to the downside could be coming from the international stage, where more sanctions are set to hit Russia, and that could mean, or could risk, retaliation. We had as well negative comments earlier this week from North Korea, for example, coming out saying it would annihilate South Korea, for example. So should that situation there deteriorate as well, then we have two severe crisis situations on our hand on the world stage. So expect then to investors possibly perform a nosedive move all the way back towards this level here, which was at the beginning of the excursion from Russia into Ukraine. So that would mean a drop all the way back to $11.57. But at the moment, expect tailwinds to overtake it from the headwinds, and forecast $20 to the upside in the coming weeks. That's it for Chainlink. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.